Okay, number 7, 8, and 9 we'll try and do here. So 405 degrees is going around past 360 is one revolution. So there's an excess here to go to 405. So one complete time just takes us right back to the start at 360. To get from 360 to 405 would be, the difference there would be an extra 45 degrees. So it's one time around plus another 45 would land in quadrant 1. And so we moved another 45 degrees as my reference angle. So that's 1, that's 1. They're both positive direction in this quadrant, and square root 2. So sine of 405 degrees is 1 over opposite over adjacent. Now, with this, we cannot leave this as my final answer because we have to rationalize the denominator. We multiply by rad 2 over 2, and we get rad 2 over 2 as my answer here. All right, negative 240. So if I go negative, I'm going this direction around the circle. So negative 180 would be right here. And then to get to 240 would be from 180 to 240 is 60 more degrees. So I'm going 180 to here, plus another 60 up would go this much into quadrant 2. So this is 60 degrees right here to get to 240. All right, then this would be square root 3. That's positive. This would be 2. That's always positive. And this would be 1, which is negative. So then tan of negative 240 would equal opposite over adjacent. So you can just write negative square root 3. And lastly, cosine of negative 480. This will be the toughest one. That's negative 480 degrees right there. Okay, so negative means we're going around this way. Negative 360 would take me right back to the start. So between 360 to 480, that difference is 120 degrees. So basically, this is saying negative 120 degrees because I just eliminate the first 360 degrees around. That just doesn't matter since it takes me right back to the start. So I can just figure out where's negative 120. Well, negative 120 is short of 180 degrees, half the circle, so I'm in this quadrant. So from here to here was negative 120, leaving an extra 60 to complete that circle, half circle. So then this opposite of negative 60 is square root 3. 2 is the hypotenuse, is always positive, and this x value is a negative 1. So cosine, I'll write negative 480. I'm using this reference angle. The adjacent is negative 1, and the hypotenuse is 2.